Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today you join me at number 1 Church Lane in Sturry. This property is really conveniently located for the shops and of course for the train station here at Sturry, so really easy access to London if you are commuting. Now, coming straight into the front lounge area here, you can see you've got that lovely window at the side there and also one at the front, so it's a really nice light and bright and airy room. You've got plenty of space in here, and you've got the fitted storage units there just to the right hand side of the fireplace. On the ground level of this property, we've got this front lounge area here, and we've also got a second reception room that we've come into now, which could easily be used as a dining room or second reception area. The possibility is completely up to you. We'll go through and take a look at the kitchen in a few moments, but we'll have a little look around the ground floor living space here. Of course, we've got that window there just overlooking the rear garden, and of course the staircase leading us upstairs. So here we are in the kitchen, and you can see it's a lovely modern fitted kitchen. We've got a full range of appliances here, and of course we've got space there for the washing machine. We've got the access point there out in the rear garden, and we'll go and take a look at that a little bit later on in the tour. But first of all, we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the 2 bedrooms and the family bathroom that we have at this property. So at the end of the landing, we've got this fantastic sized family bathroom here. Of course, we've got the bath with the shower unit above the sink and the loo unit. Now, coming back across the landing, we're going to go through and take a look at bedroom number 2, which is again a good sized bedroom. And of course, you've got plenty of space in here for a double bed if you wanted, and of course for a little bit of storage space as well. We've got the window there just overlooking the rear garden. And of course, we'll go through and take a look at the master bedroom next. Here we are in the master bedroom, and this is a fantastic sized room. Plenty of space in here for wardrobes, chest of drawers, makeup table, and of course plenty of space there for the double bed. We've got the window there at the front just overlooking the front of the property, and of course, as you can see, it's a fantastic sized room. So we're going to go back downstairs now, go back through the second reception area, through the kitchen, and take a look at the garden space. So here we are in the rear garden, and this gives us a good opportunity to recap a few points on this property. Of course, we've got 2 bedrooms here with 2 reception rooms, and we are an end terrace cottage located in Sturry. Of course, we've got the train station only a few moments away, as well as plenty of shops as well. Please do give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out a little bit more about this fantastic end terrace cottage. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your free valuation.